You guys already know this video is going to be lit because I, Email. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today's video, we're going to be checking out the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. I've been very excited about this device for a long time since it came out because of obviously the features and how the device actually looked like just looked so different from the previous generations of the Flip series from Samsung. So yeah, that's why I actually got myself one of them just to check it out. Obviously, I wasn't going to get the Fold 5 because it's something that we've already seen before from Samsung. It looks exactly the same like than the previous generation that they actually brought out. So I thought, you know what? I think the best way to go about it is to get the Flip 5 and see what it's all about. So yeah, we have it right here, shipped all the way from Samsung. Look at that, beautiful. Obviously, I love the box and the way they've presented it. You got that little nice Flip 5 little logo at the front there, which looks absolutely amazing. But yeah, let's just tear right into it. And I've also noticed that Samsung has a new seal. So instead of it's like the Apple now. So instead of actually cutting the seal, they actually provide you like a little thing to tear it off like that. Boom, which that's pretty nice. Like Apple actually. It's really nice, very satisfying. So you don't even need a knife to unbox this. So boom, you just pull the tabs. In here we just have SIM tool and quick start guide and just all of that stuff that no one really cares about when they buy a new phone. So right, this is the device. And I believe a USB-C cable should be in there as well. Wow, god damn. Woo-wee. That is beautiful. Let's open it up. Oh my god. Wow, that looks absolutely insane, man. Look at that. That looks awesome. So, oh wow, you can even see the screen as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the screen is very, very different. But yeah, anyways, first impression so far, the phone looks absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to boot it on. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, looks absolutely awesome. So obviously, if you guys have seen what this Z Flip actually looks like from renders or other videos, you can tell that they've done a massive change on this device, which is the screen in the front. So as we all know, the previous generations of the Flip series have only had a small little screen, which is literally just right next to the camera over there. But this time, they've made it even better by pretty much making the whole screen in the front literally a screen, which is just absolutely insane. So I'm gonna quickly boot this bad boy up and give it. Oh wow, look at that. I mean, come on, man, come off it, man. Look at that, man. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome. And also the color on this bad boy, whew, yeah, the color is beautiful. I believe this is the lavender purple, which is nice. Hence why I've got the purple, the Philips Hue light bulb purple. But yeah, it looks awesome. To be honest with you, the color isn't as good as I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot more brighter and vibrant. It looks a little bit more like a creamish purple kind of color. But I mean, I would have liked it to, pop a little bit more and make it a little bit vibrant. But I mean, it's all right. It's not too bad. Obviously, we got to do the fold test. Let's see. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks like they've redesigned the fold mechanism. It doesn't clap anymore like the previous ones used to do. It's got like a little bit more of a nicer, softer noise to it when you actually close it. So it doesn't actually clap anymore. The sound is a little bit more softer when you actually close the device. Anyways, I'm going to set this bad boy up real quick and then we'll have a look and just play around with it, Maybe take a few pictures and just go from there and see what's going on. So we're all set up, as you can see. So we have the home page right here, which looks absolutely amazing. Have they still got Bixby? Oh wow, they don't have Bixby anymore. Oh my goodness, we can actually swipe I believe left, and then we go straight to the Google homepage, which is very, very nice. The Bixby days are over. I really did not like the Bixby days at all, but we're in the device. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks, I mean, I don't expect anything less from Samsung. It looks absolutely awesome and amazing. Yeah, mate, it looks awesome. I mean, I haven't looked at a Samsung device in such a long time because you guys know that I came from Samsung to Apple, and I haven't seen a Samsung device or a Samsung display for like what, maybe like more than 6 months now, maybe probably to come into a year now, because the iPhone 15 is coming out soon, and obviously after every year they bring out new devices. But yeah, but I mean, honestly, to me it kind of looks a bit boring. But I think that's because I've had it all my life, Samsung all my life, and I'm used to the display and the way the actual device looks. But I mean, you don't there's nothing really much to expect from Apple. But yeah, what I do want to try is the camera, and also I just want to see how the screen actually behaves in the front. So when we shut it, it locks obviously, but then when you unlock it, let's unlock it together. So you unlock the device. Oh wow, and it comes up here. So you got a few. Oh wow, wow, that's amazing. So you literally swipe left. I mean, yeah, you swipe right, and you got your date. What's this? Oh wow, you got the. Oh my god, this is actually a full-fledged screen. I actually thought it was just a screen to like give you like quick stuff. That's amazing, man. It's actually a screen just like the Fold series, which is absolutely insane. Oh my god, you can actually function this. You can actually function with the screen. Wow, that is insane. That's insane. You can literally change whatever you want. There's loads of wedges you can try from. That's insane. I actually did not know it was this good at all, man. That's insane. What? You can actually interact with the screen. It's not actually. I thought it was just a screen that's on there that just give you simple quick wedges, but you can actually interact with it. It's literally a full-fledged screen you can actually interact with. Look at that. You can actually scroll through. You can go next. You can get to your alarm quickly. That's freaking awesome. Wow, you can see how many steps that you've had today. That's awesome, man. Obviously, you can go in and obviously pick whatever wedges you want. Oh wow, look at that. It's literally a fully fledged phone. Flipping out, you can literally just use the phone from here. You can also see your notifications as well, mate. It literally reminds me. I'm actually so stunned. It's literally a phone. Wow, you can even go on the camera app, take a quick selfie. Oh my god, the way that selfie is literally set up is awesome. It literally feels like. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me bring it closer. No, you can't. Literally, when I have the device right here, it genuinely. I don't know how they designed the camera, but it genuinely feels like I'm holding the phone upright and the camera is up there, just like I would on the iPhone when I go to take a selfie. So I have no idea how they designed that at all. But mate, that is awesome. And the front camera looks very, very sharp and crisp. Oh, wait a second. What am I saying? That's the back camera. That's the back camera there you can actually use to take a selfie, man. Because when you flip it open, it's the back camera. And this is the front camera. But, oh, mate, the front camera still looks absolutely amazing, man. Let me just take a quick selfie here. Boom. Look at that. Oh my god. I mean, from far it's very sharp, but when you start to zoom in, you can start to see that the picture starts to fall apart. But I mean, unless you're going to be doing any kind of cropping or whatever like that, yeah, then you're going to have a problem. But if you're just going to take the picture and just use it as that like that, then you're pretty damn good to go. But it's absolutely insane that you can use the front camera and take a selfie. Let's take a selfie. with the front camera. Oh wow, that's awesome. You literally can just tap the screen to take a picture. Look at this. That's awesome. Now let's have a look. You can even see the pictures. You can literally see the pictures. That's awesome. That is just next level. And also from that back camera as well, you can also see as well how good it looks. But let's have a look on the main display and see. Yeah, that looks awesome. I mean, the camera, not bad at all. I'll give Samsung that. The camera is not bad at all. Honestly, if I had this device, I'll probably use it in this mode all the time. It's awesome. It's something new, because obviously smartphones started very like as small devices, and it's just nice to be able to go back to that small form factor of devices that we had a long time ago back in the days, and it just feels nice to just use it as a small device. I think it's absolutely awesome. Obviously, up here you can obviously add more wedges and stuff like that as you wish, but for now, I mean, it's awesome. I'm very, very surprised of how you can actually interact with this screen up front. It's ridiculous, man. I thought it would be worse than this. I thought it was literally just a still kind of screen. You can just literally flick around, but you can literally do like a lot more on this display here, which is just absolutely insane. That's awesome. You can look at everything. You can even go into your mate. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. I feel like there's going to be a lot of people using the screen in the back a lot more than the actual main screen, because one, it looks absolutely amazing, and two, like there's no really need to open the phone at all, unless you wanted to do something a lot bigger, like search the web, or go on your social media platforms or whatever. But for as it is, honestly, you can do a lot on this, man. Literally, you can do a lot on this just by this screen, which is just absolutely awesome. I think they've tried to bring in the feature of the fold device onto the flip device. But yeah, this is absolutely awesome, man. I absolutely love this. I can't wait to actually use this and review it and stuff like that. I mean, I'm not really a big, massive fan of the flip phones, but with this screen, I feel like I might start being a fan of it. But it's awesome, man. It's so freaking cool. But yeah, anyway, guys, that's been my reactions to this device, and obviously unboxing it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.